New kit to build. This is the RX-78-2 Grandpa RG kit. Oh, it's out of frame. Got this from the Gundam Expo back in August. Bought it online. Finally got delivered back in September. And I figured since I can't touch my Leo right now because I'm waiting for it to dry, because you know enamels take a long time to dry, might as well build a kit. And since I've never built a Grandpa Gundam, might as well work on this. So this is the mechanical clear. We're gonna be doing a quick unboxing, count the runners, and then through the magic of editing, the next in about 2-3 seconds it'll be built immediately or something, and then we'll do a little bit of poses here and there. This is also gonna be my next custom. After my Leo, I'm just gonna paint the inner frame and then call it a day. So hopefully this is a shorter build for me. So let's get started. Box will be coming off right there. I am assuming this is a different looking box compared to the regular RG kit. I have heard the RG Grandpa sucked, and I am not expecting a lot out of this because of that. So manual, boom boom, probably have like 15 pages of stuff there. I'm not even gonna read that. So let's get started here. This is mechanical clear. So just like Sinanju, this is gonna be my second time building a mechanical clear kit. Hopefully I am better now when it comes to building these kinds of kits. Let me throw that away. So we'll count the runners real quick. This is 1, 2 right there. 2. Boom, boom. I can count. The stickers. Pretty nice stickers in my opinion. Let me see here. Let me open this up. Boom, boom. 2, 3, and 4. There's 2 more clear kits right there. 4 runners. I'm just gonna throw away all the plastic bags to the side here. Make this quick. Let me see. Oh, inner frame, just like the old Exia. Oh my god. What a surprise. So 5th runner there. Almost there. I'm just unwrapping. It's like unwrapping a gift. It's so exciting, guys. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last plastic bag here. 8, 9, and 10. Let's count that again one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 with the cool looking stickers. Almost look like, what do you call those? Decals to me. But they're stickers, I think. I don't know. So I am hoping, I know from what I was doing my research, this kit is not that great when it comes to movement and articulation and stuff, but hopefully with painting it will be fixed. Okay, so like I said, in a matter of 2 seconds this will be built, even though it's gonna take me 2 weeks to maybe a week to build this kit. But real quick, the clear plastic parts are same as the mechanical clear Sinanju. Looks okay. There's some scratches here and there, but you know, that's expected. But that's something I could fix through the power of feature. Okay, so I'll snap in a second or two, and then this will be built. Maybe. Okay, 1, 2, boom. That snap sucked. I take that back. Be right back. Okay. Alright, so after 2 weeks, this is finally built. Fairly very big headache when you're building this. It's because it's got a lot of tiny parts that you could accidentally fling out when you're building it. It's just like a regular RG kit, basically. That's the only problem you're gonna run into this. Also, let's go over quickly the aesthetics of the build. I would say out of all the RX-78 that I've seen, master grade to high grade to the RGs, this is probably top 3 in my opinion when it comes to the looks. Looks fairly cool with the mechanical clear parts. Like you can see the inner frame, so that leaves a lot of leaves a lot of room for customization on the inside of the kit if you like to paint your kits. Also, it could move very well. Articulation wise, it looks really good. You can do a bunch of poses with it, but I prefer like this. It's pretty cool. So real quick, let's see, and I also like the weapons. I was thinking that the weapons would just come by, you know, just like regular plastic, like, you know, the dark gray color, but I like the fact that they elected to include the clear parts with the weapons as opposed to just leaving them dark gray like that. Like, look at this beam gun right there. That's pretty cool too. I mean, it's fairly minuscule when it comes to like the inclusion of the mechanical clear on this part, but you know, it's a cool effect in my opinion. This is the core fighter. It broke down on me already. This is probably the most frustrating build I've ever had to do, is building this core fighter. It's a complete pain in the ass, but you know, I did it, kind of. I gave up on putting the wheels on because it won't stay in there, but it's okay, I guess. But so overall, oh, I forgot before I sign off. Also, we have to go over the quick cons about this build. So like all RG kits, everything flings apart. You know, like you could easily lose parts of this kit if you're building it because it's got a lot of tiny parts. But I think that's all the RG kits that you're ever gonna build. So it's just it's just gonna totally all about the taste, I guess. What do you prefer? What kind of poison you want to take in when you're building RG kits, or would you prefer rather to build MG kits because it's easier to build? I'm just ranting, I'm sorry. But also, what are the cons? The skirt armor comes off easy when you try to pose them. These things right here, they easily come off. Even if you try to make them take a knee, it's gonna come off. What else? The shoulder comes off easy too, so you gotta be careful about that. And the ankle armor right there easily comes off. But overall, this is an okay build in my opinion. I would purchase it again if I want to, but you know, we'll see. But it's definitely a nice looking kit once you're done building it. So that's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Oh, there's lag. Hand finger lag.